IBM Mixed Language Application Modernization Pattern is a virtual application pattern that provides a fully automated and simplified environment for deploying mixed language applications such as COBOL, C, and Java. This is the workload console of IBM Pure Application System. We start by accepting the licenses for the IBM Mixed Language Application Modernization Pattern type. We will now see how to create a mixed language application pattern. The mixed language components can be found under the Web Application Pattern Type 2.0. Templates for deploying COBOL and C applications are provided to have a quick start in building the pattern. Let's choose the blank application template to start with. As part of this demo, we will create a pattern having a web component invoking a COBOL application. The COBOL application component talks to a database DB2. This is the virtual application builder where we build patterns. We begin by choosing a web application component. We specify the Java enterprise application such as the war artifact. We now choose the enterprise application component to define COBOL and C artifacts as part of this pattern. This component additionally can support applications requiring the CICS API and Oracle Tuxedo ATMI API services with a separate license. The application interacts with the DB2 database, which is represented to the database DB2 component in this pattern. Links represent relationship across components. We will now create links across the application components and specify the link attributes such as the JNDI name for the WXTR connection factory. We are almost done with building the application, and let's save the pattern. We click on the deploy and choose the cloud provider to start the deployment process. The deployment starts immediately and the status can be checked through the console. The pattern is now deployed and application ready to use. A single click on the endpoint allows us to access the application. Here is the sample application that we deployed through the pattern. We will now see the lifecycle management of the deployed application pattern. Monitoring comes with ease and involves all software components deployed as the part of the pattern. Here we can monitor from a virtual machine's perspective. The middleware tab option gives the monitoring information from a middleware perspective, such as the web request and the response time, so on. With the centralized logging infrastructure, we can view the COBOL and C middleware logs, traces, and download them for analysis. We now move to the operations view of the pattern that allows us the modification of the component attributes on the deployed and running instance. We can upgrade the COBOL and C applications and change the WXTR middleware specific attributes as required. The operations view also provides single-click options to download diagnostic logs for troubleshooting and analysis. This concludes our demo for IBM Mixed Language Application Modernization Pattern. Thank you.